When you're working with data, one of the truisms is that about 80% of the time is spent simply getting the data ready. And when you're working in Google Sheets, you got a few things that can help you get the data ready, especially in terms of keeping notes for yourself and communicating with others. In this video, I want to show you how to make notes, which are a little different from comments, which I'm going to show you another time. A note is something that you put in a cell that is an addition to that cell. So for instance, let's try this. In this page, I've got three different sets of data. I've got days of the week, I've got months of the year, and I've got a series of odd numbers. There are a couple of mistakes in this one. So for instance, we have June appears twice here. One possibility is to make a note here. I can either right click on it, that's a 2-finger click, and I can insert a note, or I can come up to the menu here and do insert note. And what I'm going to say is June appears twice. Then when I click away from that, you can see that we've got this little box here, this little corner, and if I hover over the cell, then the note appears. Now, the only trick is somebody has to actually be on the sheet to know that that's there. I'll go to my other account where I'm sharing this, and you can see that that note now appears. It doesn't say who did it. It's just a note that's in the cell. Now, some people unfortunately try to put actual data there, stuff that you need to know to interpret it. Please don't ever do that. This is something that can be there temporarily in terms of drawing attention to something, even though it's not very effective at drawing, but adding a little more context to what you have in the cell. Now, a more effective way is to actually make a comment, which is what I want to show you in the next video.